So sorry about the dirty face and stuff like that, but I've been grinding all day, and so I wanted to make this video about the um, Pittsburgh hydraulic punch kit. And this is what I did. As you know, I fabricate as a hobby, and so what I discovered about the hydraulic punch kit is that there's a lever. I'll show you. So there's this lever right here. Oh, you have to pump like this to make that hydraulic punch work. That's a hydraulic punch platform work. But you can only punch so much before you get tired. So this is what I did. If you have a press, you can do what I do and it'll help you. I did some modification to it. What I did, I drilled a hole onto my metal platform that is on your press, if you have one. I have a 20-ton press. So I drilled a hole through and through here, see? And this hole is big enough to seat this thing right here because, as you know, this thing, okay, screws onto that thing, okay? And that thing pulls this thing inward, thereby holding the punch here in like this. I'll show you. As it pulls it in, this thing goes in and punches the hole. So I figure I'll make a hole big enough for this to go in, and then I'll use my press to press this in. Oh, okay, like that, and it goes in and makes a hole, and it's way faster than pumping that little handle. Okay guys, so this is how I do this. So basically, set the base that you pre-drilled here, okay? And what you need to do now is open this up, insert this into here, in the hole that you pre-drilled, and then put this like that, okay? And then sandwich this sheet metal here between the punch and the base, like this. Scoot it in like that, right? And then you're set. So once it's centered here in the ram, okay, tighten your valve there. Okay, so sorry about that. So once you remove this from here, take this out, open this up, and there it is. That comes out, and then you reload it for the next one. This goes in here, this goes in here, goes like this. Set it in, scoot it over, okay. And this here is an adjustment tab right here. So then you're ready for another pump. There you go. So you got the second hole. As you can see here, it's so quick. Pull this out. Pull this out. There. And then put this in here again. Put this in here again. Sandwich it. And put it in here. Scoop this back. And then she's ready for another shot. So guys, it's as simple as that. Drill a hole into this plate right here, big enough for this guide right here. Put this in like that, and then like this. Put this in like this, sandwich it, put it like that, and you are set. Simple as that, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are.